Let's do. Hi guys, welcome back to Journey Teachers. Today we are shooting a very special campus tour video of Jain University in Jayanagar, Bangalore. I'm so excited to show you the campus. Let's take you around. Guys, so Jain University has 3 schools at Jayanagar campus: School of Commerce, Computer Sciences and IT, and Humanities and Social Sciences. So I'm so excited. Let's go. Guys, so this is a very beautiful rangoli just at the entrance. I just came to know that a fest, Diksharam, is happening today in Jain University. It goes for like 2 weeks and various motivational speakers also come here. So let's talk to some of the students here to know more about it. Hi guys, so we are going to interact with some of the students from Jain University. Let's tell your names.
I'm Sama.
I'm Sanya.
And what is Diksharam? What is happening today?
So Diksharam's like an orientation for all the students here. There's so many activities and all these motivational speakers, they come and kind of like get us started to start our journey in Jain.
It's basically a way to prepare the freshers for social interactions and help them prepare for their future. So it's going good for now. We'll see later.
What course are you guys in? What course are you pursuing?
So right now I'm doing BCom, which is integrated with CPA and EA from the US.
And you?
I'm doing BCom with specialization in business analyst, which is integrated in UK as well.
That's nice. You both are pursuing integrated courses and
Professional courses.
professional courses. How is the campus life at Jain? How is the university in general?
Honestly, campus life, it's just the building. That is one of the cons, but like it's really nice. If you really want to enjoy college life, then you should come to Jain because it's free. It's only 75% attendance. That's the best part. Yeah. And
College life, like 3 Idiots college life, then you should come here. It's very hard to get the lift, so you have to walk a lot, so you're gonna lose weight here as well.
Nice. So tell us something about the extracurricular activities and
right now, like the interviews are gonna start for like participating in the forums, but it's quite nice. We have SCAPs, we have MUN, we have Toastmasters, or dance, singing, everything's there.
We have plenty of culture forums. Since we are also new, so we are not quite aware of the recruitment process. It's gonna start soon enough for the freshers. We got like MUN, as she said, MUN. It's for the debate, and I'm pretty sure you guys know about it. The SCAPs for placements and all. Culture forum, we got NC, what was that? NSS. And I think NGO type of forums as well.
that seems to be pretty interesting. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you.
Guys, so whoever lives in the hostel inside Jain University can come here and have the amazing mess food. Let's show you some. So the food here is actually giving me all the home food vibes, and someone told me around that these, you look at the walls, these people have actually studied in Jain University. It's more oriented towards sports. KL Rahul as well, if you can see, his picture is there. He studied from Jain University. Guys, these are some of the companies who come to Jain for placements. You can just have a look. Some very famous names like EY, D-Shaw, Deloitte, Google, everything is there. Guys, this is the Learning and Resource Center library. So the photos and videos are not allowed inside, but it's a very cool. I've just visited there. Guys, so as I said, Diksharam is happening, and can you see this huge stage which is all set up, and so many people will be coming here. So let's see, have a look. Guys, so there are a lot of clubs, activities, and basically the extracurricular activities happening in Jain University. Some of them I'll show you. As you can see, this is the MUN Society. This is the cabin and the coordinators where MUN Society people sit. This is another one. We'll go inside to one of them and just like have more details about that. Student Council. And this is Pause and Beat the Change. So covering all the social issues and everything around. So guys, they are from Samashti in Jain University, which is a part of Student Council, and they are going to tell us about the activities, the roles and responsibilities, and the cultural activities as well from the Student Council. What are your names?
I'm Cinderella.
And I'm Yuvashri.
Okay, so how is the Student Council functioning? What are the activities?
So we basically organize fest and go for festing if any other college conducts fest.
Okay.
Yeah, so like we have three verticals: the organizing department, the cultural forum, and then the commerce forum. So under organizing, so basically whatever fest that happens, whatever events that happen in our college, we organize it. And then cultural is basically we go out to other colleges and we fest. And then we have commerce forum that also we go out. It's more into corporate.
Okay, so what are some of the fests and event names, if you could specify, that you arrange?
So okay, we have two fests to arrange. One is Anveshana, the Freshers Fest, which is a 1 month long fest. And then we have Jain University Youth Fest. It's an inter-college fest. So where we invite other colleges and they come participate and we give them overalls and everything, like how we go and participate in other colleges. So these two are the major fests that we host.
Okay, and how about the university? How do you like the university campus life? Something in general about the university?
The university is what do we say? Open for like all of the students. It's like, how do I put it? It's very friendly. You see, we have a lot of other connections. We go to other colleges to fest, so we are building connections with other colleges also, and it helps us build our own talents also. So I am basically from the music team. So under culturals, all the cultural teams, if we go there, we are connecting with people. We're connecting with people. We have a lot of other contacts, so it helps in that way.
So basically, it's a mix of academics and all the extracurricular activities. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, this is the notice board of all the certificates whoever has been selected in the companies. So we can see a lot of companies, KPMG, Deloitte. I'm just loving this, how they have put out the proper collection, and outstanding students are wherever placed. They have all the data and records there. So these are some of the fancy trophies and awards won by the university. They have been overall champions in some of the competitions out, which were a part of outer colleges. So I'm just loving the Jain University's collection of awards and trophies. And there are a lot more there actually. Let's show you. Guys, this is the School of Commerce, and all the classes, all the lecture halls for students belonging to this school school happens inside. Let's take you around. There are classes going on, so let's not disturb them, but I'll show you a glimpse of it. Can you see the slogan? There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. So although elevators also, they have slogans, motivational quotes written. One is there also. No excuses, take the stairs and burn the calories. Overpower, overtake, overcome. So guys, this is the School of Computer Science and Information Technology. There's only one building and there are different schools divided in different floors. Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, and this is the first B school of Jain Group. Let's show you around. Guys, this is one of the lecture halls at Jain University. It's a part of the Department of Entrepreneurship and Management. So as you can see, the classes, the sitting area is really nice. I really love the tables. The vibe is really amazing. And we have a good scenery also outside the windows. There's that amazing lengthy blackboard, whiteboard. As our ritual says, whenever we go to a college and in a classroom, we sit here and do this pose of actually pretending to listening to the teacher, but there is no teacher. Guys, this is the stationery shop, and for any requirements of any kinds of stationery, printing, Xerox purposes, students can come here and get things done. So as we can see, there are a lot of student testimonials printed here on the wall, and I passed the list of recruiters also, whatever I showed you down as well, and there's a lot more companies present on this side of the wall as well. We'll just have a closer look now. Guys, this is the Jain Center for Entrepreneurship. It's the same kind of structure which we saw in other floors. So it has different lecture halls, staff room which are there. And also I'm so happy to see that it has a center of excellence in which there's artificial intelligence and machine learning along with cyber security. So it's actually adapting to more AI and the latest technology which is emerging. Machine intelligence is the last invention that humanity will ever need to make. So I'm really glad that Jain University is actually promoting a lot of teamwork and group discussions, because there are small workstations placed on every floor. This is one interesting fact that I've noticed here. Guys, so this was everything about Jain University. We tried to show you each and everything around the campus, and the college is really nice. It's one building which has various schools and departments, and each and every floor is full of vibrant slogans and motivational quotes. The attendance policy is very lenient, it's 75%, and the dress code rules are also not that strict. This was all about Jain University. If you want me to cover any other college vlogs, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to Journey Teachers for more such content, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Just tell me when you started. Like,
And how do you know about so much about this?
no, not Diksharam. I asked what is Diksharam, what is happening, and if you want, then you meet. Hawa, come. Perfect. Basically, all the extracurricular overpower है. Sorry. This should come. This should थोड़ा. हाँ, take from this side from here only and come पीछे.